Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Instagram notes not showing. So maybe all your friends are using Instagram notes and you want to use them too. They aren't showing up anywhere on the Instagram app for you. I'll show you how to fix that and how to get the Instagram notes on your app. So normally when you go onto the Instagram app, and then if you click on your direct messages in the top right corner, normally it would be right above the search bar there, but as you can see, notes are not showing up for me. This is where they would appear, but as you can see, there's nothing here. So if you want to add the notes here, the first thing that you can do to see if this will add it is go back to your homepage. And once you're here, click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once you click on that, click on the three bars in the top right corner, right next to the post button. Now, once you click on the three bars, this will show up. You'll want to click on the first option, which is settings. So it has the gear right next to it. Once you click on it, you'll be brought to this page. Here you want to click on the third option down, privacy. So once you click on privacy, you'll be brought to this page right here. Scroll down until you see activity status. So you have to have this turned on for your notes to show up. So click on activity status and then turn this on. So once you turn it on, you can just go back and then you can head back over to your homepage to your direct messages to check if it fixed it. So let me head over there real quick, and this is the first way that you can try and fix it. So as you can see, it didn't work for me. So the next thing that you can do, go out of Instagram and head over to your app store. Once you go to your app store, search up Instagram. You just want to make sure that it's completely updated. So I'll check real quick and go all the way into the Instagram app. And here, as you can see, it is all the way updated, so that is not the reason why, but this might be the reason why for you. Now, the last way to try and fix notes is you're going to go back to your home screen and then head over to the Instagram app. So once you go over to the Instagram app, you'll be brought to the home page like the usual. And then right here, you want to click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner, and then click on the three bars in the top right corner. And once you click on that, click on settings, which is the top option like usual. So once you click on that, you'll be brought to this page right here, and you'll want to click on help, which is right in between account and about. And once you click on it, you'll be brought to the help page right here. Click on the top option, report a problem. So once you click on report a problem, this pop-up will show up right here, and you'll just want to turn off shake phone to report a problem and then head out of the report a problem real quick. And once you head out of it, you can just click back on to report a problem, and then you'll be able to report a problem without shaking your phone. So click on report a problem. Here, just click on include and continue. It doesn't really matter. And once you click on that, here you're going to want to type something like, "Hello, I cannot see the notes feature on Instagram. Please help me get this feature as soon as possible. Thank you, Instagram team." Just something along those lines. And then once you do that, just send it to them, and they will probably reach out to you if they have done anything to fix it. There are a couple regions where Instagram Notes is unavailable, and you might be in one of those regions, but if they can't do anything about it, then there's nothing you can do. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.